I need to show you what's happening in the crypto market, and this is just crazy. The crypto market is acting very strange, and in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly what is happening and where we are most likely headed in the immediate short term. So make sure you smash up the likes, subscribe with notifications on, and let me know in the comments, are you fearful right now or are you getting greedy buying some of these dips? Let me know your current moves in the crypto market right now. So here is the thing. This morning, we had finally saw some green in the crypto market, and for some cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu spiked up like crazy. A lot of good news for some altcoins today, and that's what spiked up some of those small coins because Robinhood finally added more cryptocurrencies to their platform. That's a really cool thing. There's a lot of people that use Robinhood. It's very cool to see that happen. But here is the thing. We spiked up this morning and the market was looking again bullish, but immediately we literally came right back down to where we were yesterday. But here is the thing. Inside of this pattern right here, I'm going to take off some of these indicators, some of these lines. What we can see is a potential sign of a recovery because we have a bottom, we have a high, and then we've created a higher low, at least on the 1 hour time frame. This is just a very short period, but we still need some more time in this area. We still need some more action, some volume, some movement in here to let us know what's most likely going to be happening. And right now we are trading under the 21-day moving average, and that is of course bearish, but we are again attempting to bounce up and to break this resistance level, which is also the moving average, and to see if we can continue this uptrend. And as we have seen pretty much this entire weekend, starting Monday, we have seen a pretty significant correction in the entire market, which means that we had crashed or honestly just moved down. Now, us moving down was not a terrible thing. It's just a normal part of a healthy bull run, which happens all of the time. But what's very important for us to take note is that the market had bled out, had crashed, and we were just continually going down and down without finding any support. And we are attempting to find support here at this current level for Ethereum and for Bitcoin, which moves the entire crypto market. And that support is pretty much exactly about $39,259, but just about $39,000 for Bitcoin, and for Ethereum, that is approximately $2,900, $2,950 to be specific. So we are attempting to bounce up. We are attempting to become bullish. We are attempting to recover, and this might actually be the bottom. So this might be the best time to buy the dip. Right at the support level, right at the bottom. You always want to buy the dips at the support levels, and you want to sell into resistance levels if you are trading. So that's what's honestly happening. And right now we are starting to attempt to become bullish. Again, we are starting to try to push forward, try to push up. And if we get rejected, again, if we fail to make a higher high, it would be very likely that we could get rejected and break past this support level and head down for another correction. If we cannot break out, if we cannot become bullish, if we cannot push up, we will head down, that is for sure. Now, if we do head down, I honestly do not think it's going to be anything crazy. I think we'll just see another dip like we saw these two previous dips. And what we can do is we can measure these dips. They're about 10% moves to the downside, just evenly 10% moves, and we would probably see another 10% move, most likely another 10% move, pushing us potentially closer to another level of key support and resistance. So that's what we are waiting for. And if we honestly zoom out of the charts, yes, we've seen a correction, we've seen red the last several days, but if we honestly zoom out of the charts are bullish, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. We have higher highs and higher lows. This is a perfect uptrend. So dips happen all the time. Look at this, guys. We started all the way down here. We've had a couple pumps, we had some bullish action, and then look, we have these dips, we have these corrections, and then again we bounce up and then continue to try. So that's what's happening right now. We are bullish, but we are waiting for the bottom, and we are going to see if we're going to be going lower. All of this information is very important, especially if you are trading or even if you are just long-term holding or dollar cost averaging. You want to know the place to buy the dip, the best place to buy the dip, and that's really all that is happening. But here is something even more important that I need to share with you. But before I share with you this incredible information, if you want to get access to the most profitable crypto trade alerts on the internet, go ahead and join the Patreon. The link is in my video description below, and if you can even follow follow all of my exact trades, speak to me on the phone. We can build you a portfolio, a whole bunch of things over there. Go ahead and join at least tier 3 in the Patreon. And also, if you want to learn technical analysis, learn when to buy and sell yourself, I have a crypto trading course. It is 66% off. All the links will be in my top pinned comment, as you will see, or my video description. But here is the very important information that I need to share with you. So inflation hits the all-time high since 1981. Okay, so inflation means that things are going up, prices are going up, gas prices are going up, housing is going up, everything is going up, hard assets are going up, and inflation does have a positive effect on cryptocurrencies. That's why we are seeing green today in the crypto markets. So we are paying attention to all of this information, letting us know what is most likely going to be the next move. And looking at the charts, we can see we are definitely setting up for a potential bounce, a potential recovery. But with inflation coming like crazy, like last month, crypto started to pump after the inflation reading. There's been a bit of FUD here the last couple of days, what's happening around the world, and that has kind of quelled the bullish action of the crypto market. That is what has kind of caused this little correction we have had. But this information, ladies and gentlemen, is very bullish, is very good for a lot of things, a lot of cryptos, a lot of things, housing, a lot of assets, and cryptos are one of those assets that are positively affected by the crypto market. Now, I think this news here is not just going to have a positive news and a positive effect on cryptocurrencies today. This is what is going to propel cryptocurrencies literally way beyond our previous imaginations, because inflation gives people a true reason to buy cryptocurrencies, because when you buy cryptocurrencies, they are assets that go up in value consistently over time. And when you have inflation eating away at your value, your dollars, you have to have an asset to combat inflation, to help put you in the green, because by just putting your money into the bank account, not investing into anything, especially cryptocurrencies, you are losing money at a very rapid pace. And inflation, yes, they give us inflation rating numbers like 8% or 8.5%, whatever numbers they want to give us, those are actually very, very far off from the real inflation numbers, because they printed literally like 70% of the US money supply in the last several months. That's scary. So things like that are happening, but cryptocurrencies are here to save the day. They are surely being more solidified as a true use case, and this is what is going to cause global adoption of cryptocurrencies. This is what is going to be pushing millions and potentially billions of people to invest and hold cryptocurrencies. And right now, if we zoom out, we are still bullish. We are still very bullish. We have a long way to go. Look at the past years. Bitcoin a year ago, Bitcoin years ago, where it was way down below. Ethereum as well. Hundreds of dollars, even dollars and pennies, just literally years ago. And we are thousands of dollars per coin for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, for all these other cryptocurrencies. We have a huge future. We have a massive long road ahead of us. And despite the little drop in the market, it is nothing honestly to be fearful about, because when it comes to investing, it's not about the quick gains from day to day, unless you're a trader like myself, but cryptocurrencies are a long-term investment. And they have proven themselves to be the best long-term investments of the last 11 years. Now, if you want to be able to invest and trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, open up an iTrust Capital account. My link in my video description below. If you fund an account, they will give you $100 and free Bitcoin. Definitely recommend checking it out, ladies and gentlemen. And make sure you check out the Patreon, check out the crypto course. And below the comment section, share this video with a friend or family member, and I will see you all later. Thank you so much for staying to the end. I appreciate your love and support, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow.